Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Empress D. If you're a returning subscriber, hi guys, welcome back. If you want to see how I have achieved this look, then just stick around, okay? And I will run through the steps with you as I normally do. Right guys, it is hot today, so I am here with my fan. I'll be going in with the Jamrock Rebirth palette, and I'll be going in with the shade Citron, which is that yellow one. I'll be using the NYX Bow Pencil in the shade Milk, and I will be going in and blending that out in a tapping motion. Then I'm going in with Citron, and it is hella pigmented, y'all, like no word of a lie. And here I am just tapping it onto the base, and then I will blend out the edges. And I'm going in with the black Vinyle liner. I'm smiling there because you can't actually see it, how I've used it so much that it's actually rubbing out. And I am just creating my wing, and I am going to fill in my wing with the MAC eyeliner gel. So I really wanted the bottom of this look to stand out. I went in with the True Gold green glitters, and I kid you not when I tell you that this stood out, it stood out. My whole look popped just because of this glitter liner. I kid you not, it's awesome. And I went in with the black on the original Jamrock Universal palette. I wanted it to be really matte. I wanted a really matte wing liner, so I topped it up with the black from the original Jamrock Universal palette. And bam! Look at that, y'all. Tell me this look is not popping. So I'm just going in and I'm doing the base. I'll be using the e.l.f. and I'll mix it with the Fasali primer, and I really feel like this combination holds my skin together. Like, it make it last. Like, the Fasali primer on its own is really good, but when mixed with that e.l.f. putty primer, it's like the ultimate primer mix for your face. So after this, I'm going in with the Superstay foundation, and I wear the shade number 70. And just before I go in and put that in my face, I'm using the Superdrug Vitamin E Hydrating Mist, and it's only because I found that I had dehydrating oily skin. So I try to hydrate and moisturize now before I do anything else. So I'm just applying my foundation here. Then after that, I'll be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee to highlight. Next, I'll be going in with the Sasha Buttercup setting powder, and I'll be going in with this on the chin, under the eyes, and on the forehead. And then on my cheeks, I'll be going in with the Black Opal Soft Velvet. I think it's True Color. I can't remember, but I'll show it up. I'll be using those on the cheek because I only like the yellow in certain places, not everywhere, just in certain places. So next we're going to go in with the Milani Earth Glow 5 Perfect Press Powder, and I'll be using that to contour my nose, my cheeks, forehead, all that stuff that you normally do. So I'll be going in with that and doing that. At this point, I was starting to feel myself a little bit, thinking, yes. So right here, I'm just dusting away all that extra setting powder, you know, from the baking. And bam, just like that, lashes are on. So I'll be going in with the All Nighter setting spray from Urban Decay on my face. Then I went in with the Juvia's Place highlighter. Y'all, I am afraid to use these highlighters. I have 2 of them and I hardly use them simply because they're loose and they're very pigmented. Like, you have to blend and blend and blend with these highlighters, but they're very pigmented, and if you can do it, then do it. So next up we have some matte lipsticks from AliExpress. I mixed the 2 together to come up with this combination because I didn't want the green to be too dark and I also didn't want it to be too light, so I mixed it on the back of my hand, and this is basically what I came up with. Now, in my opinion, these are not very great, but they are pigmented, so it's up to you if you want to do it. But that is it. I am out. Bye guys.